This is the Nebia by Moen, a rain shower and wand, an everyday device that is so future forward that Tim Cook from Apple, Eric Schmidt, formerly of Alphabet Google, Y Combinator, and so many more have invested in it. Nebia was developed by former Tesla, Apple, and NASA engineers using technology and aeronautical applications to make it. That's the same stuff they used to study jet engines. They had a mission to change something as common as a shower and bring to market something that is completely unique and meaningful by making a global impact by reducing water consumption by up to 45% compared to most showers and providing a better experience. So far, they have saved over 106 million gallons of water with their previous version of the Nebia, and with their partnership with Moen, they're aiming to save 1 billion gallons of water by 2021. The Nebia by Moen does this by atomizing the spray nozzle, which creates a spa-like experience while also creating smaller but faster water droplets than normal showers. This allows it to generate more water savings. Now, those who are more familiar with atomizing water may be wondering about heat and the spray sensation. Nebia has fine-tuned their water droplets so it's just the right size to retain heat while having 2 times the coverage and a spray force that is 81% more powerful than standard showers. Nebia by Moen is their warmest shower yet. So let's install it, give it a try, and see what my initial impressions are. So Nebia told me that it's super easy to install in about 15 minutes and without the need of a contractor, plumber, or messing around with your tile. I was honestly really doubtful of that claim, but it did end up being really easy. Let me show you. You just unscrew the existing shower head and the pipe that comes out of the wall. You might want to use a wrench and wrap something around the pipe so you don't scratch it. Measure the hole depth with this helpful tool, which will also help you screw in the correct size nut. You'll find out what nut and color matches your measurement with this little chart here. When you wrap some plumber's tape onto the nut, screw it in with that measuring tool, put the included gasket on, and then put the collar the chart told you to use on. Make sure your shower walls are nice and clean of any residue, soap, and dirt. Remove the waterproof adhesive from the bottom, then line up the top and push it into the collar until you hear a click. I just had to give it a good little shove. Make sure your Nebia by Moen is straight and then push in the bottom into your shower wall. Push the tubing through and then plug it in. You then install the rain shower at the top. Then you want to find a spot for the wand and this neat little magnetic dock. Take the adhesive layer off and push it into the spot you want to mount the wand. Plug the wand in and mount it, and that's it. Nebia suggests waiting 24 hours for the adhesive to cure for the best results. For the design, the Nebia by Moen comes in matte black, spot resist nickel, and chrome. I went with the matte black because it looks super sharp and clean with my white subway tile. I think the design is super modern, unique, and really clean. The smooth curves to it are really nice, and the rain shower just looks cool. It even has the neat ability to slide up and down by 17 inches to get just the right height for whoever is using it. So let me use it real quick and share my impressions. We'll be right back. Wow. That was actually really cool. First of all, that whole spa-like experience is really neat. It's really quite engulfing, so I've never had something like that before, but I really like it, especially with that wand being a little bit lower. You can kind of get that full body kind of spray going on. And the one thing that I really did notice is that the closer you got to the actual spray, the warmer it became. It was actually really hot that I had to back it off a bit. And my glass kept fogging up, as you can probably see here. Because it's so engulfing, it feels like a much nicer shower experience to me. I even used some shampoo and some body wash, and I didn't have any issues with washing it all out. So if I were to give you any sort of suggestion, I'd put the wand kind of at that belly level, and you kind of get that nice kind of full immersive experience. And I appreciate how easy it is to adjust the Nebia by Moen. You can adjust it vertically, horizontally, and even at an angle. So I didn't really realize until I started using it that you can actually change it from going parallel with the ground and angle it up like this. So if you're kind of worried about it just kind of hitting your eyes all the time, you can actually have it hit the back of your head. It's really nice, and especially because it's a ring, it feels really engulfing around your head. I've honestly never seen or experienced a shower like this before. It's really innovative, it's super awesome to use, and on top of that, it's sustainable. And that leads to a neat bonus that I really love. It lowers your water and heat bill because you'll have water savings by using the Nebia by Moen. Essentially, your water heater won't have to work as hard. They actually have a neat calculator on their website to show you your water impact and savings. Now, even if I only included myself in this calculation and none of my roommates, I save over a month's worth of heating, 153,300 glasses of water, and a cost savings of over $190 a year. If you know me, I love saving money. What's crazy is that the Nebia by Moen is their most advanced and affordable shower yet, starting at $160. That means I'll save more in 1 year than what this thing costs. So if you'd like to get the Nebia by Moen, it's available for pre-order on Kickstarter through February 27th at its best price ever. You can check it out by going to the link in the description. The first 1,000 backers will receive the Nebia by Moen in March, a month after the Kickstarter ends. This isn't some risky Kickstarter. It's a real deal where you'll actually get it because they're already making them and in partnership with Moen, who is a huge market leader. Plus, their first Kickstarter raised over $3 million and they delivered. Make sure to check them out on Kickstarter and let me know what color you pick out in the comments. So thank you so much Nebia by Moen for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching This Is Tech Today, where we talk about the intersection of technology in our everyday lives, in business, and in all things creative. Until next time. Whew, I feel nice and clean.